Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to enable dark mode on YouTube in laptop or PC. So let's start. First of all, open your browser and enter the URL www.youtube.com. So you will be redirected to youtube.com, and over here you can see the interface like this. Here you can see the option settings or three dots. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, over here you can see the options like this. And here is the first option, appearance. So click on the appearance. Once you click on the option appearance, over here you can see the three options such as use device theme, dark theme and light theme. So to enable a dark mode or dark theme on YouTube, select the option dark theme. And within a second you can see a dark mode is applied on YouTube. So to disable a dark mode, click on the same option, then go to the appearance and select the light theme, and you can see a dark mode is disabled. So in this way we can enable and disable dark mode on YouTube on laptop or PC. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.